This video will show the various types of portable gas detectors in use on board tankers and their correct calibration procedures. MSN 015 lists the portable gas detection equipment to be carried on board. A portable oxygen meter is used to detect the percentage of oxygen present in any atmosphere. Portable explosimeter is used to detect the percentage of combustible gas present in a non-inert atmosphere, that is, in air. The reading is expressed in percentage of the lower explosive limit of hydrocarbon gas. Portable combustible gas detector, which gives reading in units of percentage volume of hydrocarbon gas in air. This may be combined with an explosimeter. Tank scope, which gives reading of hydrocarbon gas as percentage volume in an inert atmosphere. Four-way gas detector, which gives readings of four gases with the same meter. These gases are hydrocarbon gas as percentage of LEL or lower explosive limit, oxygen as percentage, hydrogen sulfide as ppm or parts per million, carbon monoxide as ppm or parts per million. Personal gas detectors generally give readings of four gases, namely hydrocarbon gas, oxygen, hydrogen sulfide or H2S, carbon monoxide. The calibration gas is supplied on board in small cylinders. Let us now understand some important and relevant markings that appear on a calibration gas cylinder, which need to be read and understood by any person attempting to calibrate a portable gas detection meter. Name of the gas. Composition of same. Volume of gas in the cylinder. Expiry date. The instruction manual of the equipment should be read for the correct calibration procedures. It is important to use the correct span gas for the equipment to be calibrated. This can be determined from the instruction manual of the equipment. An oxygen detection meter is calibrated using 99.99% or more pure nitrogen to check for zero setting of the meter. The unit is calibrated for upper setting of 21% by aspirating the meter in air. A combustible gas meter or explosimeter is calibrated using methane in air mixture with 2.5% volume of methane and balance air. This will give a reading of 50% of LEL on the scale. Some combustible gas meters are also calibrated using isobutane in air mixture with 0.9% volume of isobutane and balance air. This would give a reading of 50% LEL on the scale. A tank scope used for detecting combustible gas in an inert atmosphere would use butane or isobutane gas with a predetermined volume of, say, 8 to 10% with balance nitrogen. The exact volume of the flammable gas present in the mixture would be marked on the label of the bottle. A four-way detector is used for detecting four gases, namely combustible gas, oxygen, hydrogen sulfide, and carbon monoxide. The standard gas mixture used for calibrating this unit would contain hydrogen sulfide 25 ppm, carbon monoxide 50 ppm, methane 2.5%, 50% LEL, oxygen 12%, balance nitrogen. The exact concentration of gas would be marked on the label of the bottle. The personal meter also uses the 4-gas mixture for calibration. The correct calibration procedure is available in the manual of the equipment. However, a standard procedure would appear as follows. No calibration should ever be undertaken in an area having possibility of inflammable gas being present. To calibrate any equipment, fit the correct adapter on the span gas bottle. The span gas may be directly introduced into the meter through a flow control valve, with the knob being adjusted to ensure a slow introduction of the gas. The gas may be transferred from the bottle to a collapsible plastic bag designed for the calibration purpose. This bag is then attached to the meter at the inlet for calibrating. The reading of the meter can then be compared with the calibration values as marked on the span gas bottle. An oxygen meter, when calibrated using 99.99% nitrogen, would give a reading of 0% on the scale. A different reading would indicate a faulty meter requiring attendance. Similarly, if any of the meter reading during calibration is different from that marked on the span gas bottle, would indicate a defect needing attention. The company regulations require all portable and personal meters to be calibrated by ship staff before every use and by a shore-based facility annually. All the meters are to be marked with their last shore-based calibration date and the certificate of same filed for reference as required. A printout of the inventory record of the meters, the span gas, the calibration dates of the meters, the expiry date of the span gas should be prominently displayed at the location where the units are stored. The toxic gas detectors do not require any calibration to be carried out. However, the detector tubes have an expiry date and should not be used or stored beyond this date. Lack of awareness by ship staff in correct calibration procedures of portable personal gas meters is a high-risk observation by SIRE and CDI vetting inspectors.